Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 13th of September 2022 in Taif, Saudi Arabia. The National Meteorological Center has announced that Mecca will witness thunderstorms.
ما شاء الله خيرات.
It also issued an advanced alert about the expected weather in the region of Mecca. It indicated that thunderstorms would be accompanied by activity in the surface winds, in addition to a decrease in horizontal visibility. This weather condition will also include some villages Al-Taif and Maysaan. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.